Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we are in Envigado, and stick around towards the end of the video and I'll show you exactly where this property is located on the map. So walking into this property, it is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment. It is 70 square meters of space. We are on the 6th floor and there is an elevator. And recently the owner did some upgrades to the kitchen. He did upgrades to the bathrooms as well as the flooring in the rooms and the closets as well. Now you also have a balcony with this property that gets amazing natural light. You'll see it right here on the this shot right here. The neighborhood that you're in, I'll go over that in the when we go over on the map, but it kind of gives you that Colombian charm, that Colombian neighborhood feel that you would get compared to if you were living in El Poblado. Here is the first full bathroom. Again, it was recently upgraded and I think they did a really good job with the upgrades here. Now the apartment itself, it's 3 bedrooms and it's 70 square meters of space. So you're probably thinking, these rooms are going to be small. And that is true as we walk into the first room here. So what I would do personally, I would contact a professional and see if I can knock down some of these walls and maybe extend the living room or, make this 2nd bedroom a little bit bigger and convert this into a 2-bedroom apartment. That's something that I would personally do. What you also get with this property, by the way, is that you also have a private parking area. There is no storage room. The building does have a pool. Again, it also has an elevator and we're on the 6th floor. No short-term rentals are allowed in this property and there is 24/7 security as well. So I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of this video and we'll go over where this property is located on the map here just right after. All right, so here is the property listed on our website. If you guys do want to check out our website, then go to medellinlivingrealestate.com. Also, all of the information about this property will be listed down below in the description of this YouTube video. Now let's scroll down on this listing page and we'll go to the map to show you where we are. We are on the street that is Calle 48C Sur, so south. And we are, like I mentioned, we're a little bit farther south of Envigado. I'll scroll out. So the black marker right here is where the property is. The main park of Envigado is just a little bit up here in the top right-hand corner of the map section. Let me go over to Google Maps to show you a clearer picture so you can get a better idea of where we are. We are in the building Urbanización Aire del Bosque, and we're closer to Sabaneta. We are in the neighborhood of, it's Loma del Barro, but it's like on the border of the neighborhood El Trianon. El Trianon is a little bit more well known compared to Loma del Barro, but it's just right on the border of it. And again, this property where you're located, you're gonna get more of that Colombian neighborhood feel than you would like in El Poblado. Let me just drop the cursor here so we can get a street view. Here is the building. Again, you do have security with this building. And look what's around us. It's, when you're there, you get that sense of Colombian charm that, I feel like a lot of people, when they come to visit Colombia, that's what they look for. There's some travelers that like that. They like to live in these areas where they feel more around the culture, right? And I'll just go down just a little bit to show you here what's around you. So we have this new building that was built down here just recently, and they have some cafe shops here. They have pet shops as well, and there's a little market there so you can get your groceries there and all your necessities that you need right away. Let me get out of the street view and we'll go back to the location. So what also is around you is one of the main roads, Avenida El Poblado, Carrera 43A, which will go all the way up to El Poblado. So you're close to a main road, which means the transportation comes right through here. So, you know, you have the local buses of Envigado that will come through your street here. You know, if you're one to take local transportation, also getting an Uber won't be too hard because you're near a main road. So transportation access is very easy. What also is around you up north, you know, if you love fitness, then you have the Polideportivo of Envigado. So you have the Envigado Stadium where you can go and do exercise there. That's where the local team, the soccer team, Envigado, they play here too. That's where their stadium is. And you can come and visit whenever you want to go do exercise. Also around you, which is about, I want to say a 15-minute cab ride, maybe a 10-minute cab ride, is the Mallorca Mall. So you have a shopping mall, very big one, that has cinema, has gyms, has an Éxito as well. So there's your supermarket, and it has all of the shops and the restaurants as well. And just right next to Mallorca Mall, you have the Itagüí metro station. So you are close to a metro station. Walking distance, probably a little bit farther, maybe 25 minutes walking. It is flat, so you don't have to worry about hills so much because we're just at the very lower part of Envigado. So maybe, you know, if you're one to walk, you can easily walk to the Coliseum here, to the Envigado Stadium, to the Mallorca Mall, as well as the Itagüí metro station. If not, you know, Uber is super cheap, cab fares are super cheap, so getting an Uber won't be too hard. And that's it for this neighborhood. You know, again, you're in a more Colombian feel to it. It is safe as well, so no need to worry about that. And like I said, we're just a little bit farther down south of Envigado, and I think this property is great for, you know, someone that, you know, they've visited already, they already know what El Poblado is, maybe they don't like Laureles and they want to explore Envigado. I think this area would be a great area for them to explore Envigado, and if they want, especially if they want to get a little bit more closer to Colombian culture, I think this neighborhood would be perfect for them. All right, so that wraps it up for this property video in Envigado. If you guys are interested in this property, or maybe you're interested in a different property in a different neighborhood, maybe in Laureles or in El Poblado, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will contact you as soon as possible. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.